Will you lead me to paradise?
I'm not starting it off proper, but we are at the airport. I'm so excited. Mama, where are you going?
Your cries that can be heard from far and wide. It's only the two of us. Everything I need.
So our bags are on this trolley, but we already checked in 2 bags, the big bags, and these are just small bags. And we still have an hour before we leave, so we have time. So we're just gonna eat now. Yeah, it's actually so full here, guys. Like, I wasn't expecting it to be this full. Like, everyone's going. So yeah. Papa, are you feeling happy?
Me?
Yes.
I'm happy. Happy fight.
Before it winds down into the memories, it's all just memories now. Don't you love when I come around? Somebody fill you up, then I take you out. Don't you love when I come around?
We're boarding now. Woo, it's so loud. Look at the outside.
Passing, and please observe the non-smoking signs. Use of electronic devices during refueling is strictly prohibited.
We've been here for like 15 minutes, 20 minutes. Yes, and we haven't even moved, guys. Such a good like so bad.
going.
Guys, look at how cute the corridor. And it's very clean, like it's so clean. Looks like the place where a horror movie happens. Guys, the Waterfront checkpoint!
Too cold. I think that like I would take like here. Like you can see where the mark is. Like here's where I couldn't take my leg. I couldn't put my leg.
The next day.
Buffet, breakfast. There was so much to choose from.
You're confused.
I just took what I'm used to. I got yogurt, 2 types, and a fruit, and then yeah. So now I'm gonna eat breakfast. We're now going to Waterfront. No, we're going to the aquarium. Now we're going to the aquarium. Yeah. I don't know where it is. I don't know where we're going. These people are just dying most. Like, look at that one there. Guys, there's a fish right there. Like, it looks so blended. Like, no, not blended. Like, yeah, it looks like the sand. There's even one fish. Guys, it's just so good. Like, it's so good.
Okay, now I choose.
Now we're going to see one of my parents' friends. Then, yeah. We can't go to the beach today because it's so cloudy. Like, it's so cold. And yesterday was so hot. I'm at the greenhouse.
Every time I get a bit inside, I feel it.
It's like now I've been well trained by sushi chefs.
This ice cream is very good.
So
It's so weird. Like, when we, like, in our hotel was cold, man. and like cloudy, no sun. When we're driving here, it's hot. Sun is out. It's like hot. And then we get here, it's raining. Like, how, guys, how do you live? Like, okay, where I live it's the same, but like it's not this bad. I thought it was bad.
Don't you love when I come around? Somebody to build you up in your teeth.
Guys, I'm just chilling in bed and I'm so tired. And it's so cold outside. It's getting cold. I'm under the goso teeth.
The next day.
Guys, the balcony is so big. It's so big. Like, I didn't even record like the rooms because I'm low-key scared. Like, not scared. It's weird. There's so many people. So now we're going to the beach, but it's fun, and we're going to surf.
About 10.
A surfing instructor, and we're gonna go surf. So, let's go. I'm actually excited.
But I told you need to do an about 10.
Mama, sometimes she makes me lose my brain cells. I love you. I'm telling you what it says. Why not are you telling me what I'm saying is not the right thing?
I always get so scared. I drop something and like it's so low.
The next day. And so you like go down a mountain. Yeah. I'm not scared that I'm stuck because it's not a ride. Like if it was a gold review, I'd be like, oh, never mind, we're now moving. Woo! This
vibe. Very beautiful, but it's very similar to malls like Mall of Africa, Manly. So it's not that different, but it's big. So yeah.
And when we're made,
Hey guys, so I just ate so much food. It's empty. I was hungry. Yo, I ate. Huh?
every time I look into your eyes, I see you're all I need.
I'm gonna get some slime. I love slime, so I'm gonna get slime. What is this? What? So now we're gonna bath.
I'll take some time just to get thankful that I had days full of you, before it winds down into the memories. It's all just memories now. Don't you love when I come around?
I can finally open my slime. A bit of some ASMR. This is my slime for the Can I need to write better? Yeah.
No, that's bigger.
And